Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to play the Forest Creative Mode. To begin, simply launch the game and navigate to the main menu. From there, select the Creative option, which is distinct from the regular story or multiplayer modes. This choice allows you to start a brand new game session where you can freely build and explore without any immediate dangers or resource constraints. It's a fantastic way to unleash your architectural creativity on the island. One of the greatest advantages of Creative Mode is the complete freedom from resource management. You have an endless supply of every building material, from logs and stones to advanced electronics. Furthermore, construction is instantaneous. Simply select a blueprint and place it, and it appears fully built. This allows for rapid prototyping and grand designs, letting you focus purely on the aesthetic and functional aspects of your creations across the island. Creative Mode transforms the island into your personal sandbox, free from the usual survival pressures. You can wander through the dense forests, explore every cave, and discover all the hidden secrets without fear of attack. There are no enemies to worry about, allowing for a truly peaceful exploration experience. This freedom lets you appreciate the detailed environment and plan your builds in any location you desire, from the highest peaks to the deepest valleys. To make the most of your Creative Mode experience, consider a few helpful tips. First, utilize the blueprint system to visualize and plan your larger constructions before committing to them. Don't be afraid to experiment with various building pieces and combinations. The possibilities are truly endless. Finally, once you've crafted something truly spectacular, consider sharing your designs with other players online. It's a great way to inspire and be inspired within the community.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.